Welcome to Fine, Fun, and Fab. So for this episode, I'm gonna try those press and go nails. So I got these from Watson's and it's at $4.99, but I found out that I got one set for $5.99 and it says premium. It's a patented super strong adhesive for this one, but for the three others it's $4.99. Usually when I have my nails done, I don't put anything. I don't really like putting nail polish on my hands, only because parang I work a lot with my hands and I'm at the gym, tapos I'm always washing my hands, so palaging nasisira yung manicure. So it was actually my daughter, Noe, who convinced me to buy these press-on nails. Because she bought one already and she tried it on. Tapos medyo nainggit ako. I got convinced because she bought this particular pair and I found it very pretty. And it's my first time to try these. So I will give you an honest review on this. Inside this box, there's 30 nail tips and 12 sizes. Alright, so it's easy apply, easy removal, no glue needed, speedy fashion nails. So 1, you have to clean your nails with a prep pad. 2, you peel off. I guess there's a sticker, right? And then you press it on. Alright. Alright. Let's do this. So there's the prep pad. But it is in Korean. I watched too many Korean telenovelas to know that that's in Korean. So number 1, I'm supposed to be washing my nails. Number 2, I use this prep pad and then I have to peel off a sticker at the back of the nail, press it on, and move it to the cuticle. Alright. It doesn't really say what you need the stick for. Alright. Just to prep your nails. Alright. There's something you can peel at the back and then you're gonna peel it off and then press it. So yun yung tama. So, I guess ito kasha dito sa maliit. Alright. Okay, so you take out the adhesive. It looks like. Now, the only thing though is, what if ayoko na siya? So, hindi ko alam. It does not say how to remove it, or if ever they said it, it's in Korean. Also, it does not say what the adhesive is made of. So you don't know. So I'm gonna try to do the other hand. The finish. Okay, we'll give you an update. I'm not supposed to wash my hands for the next few hours, so as to, you know, to make it last longer, but I'll give you an update, like a daily update, like when I shower, matatanggal ba siya for the next 3 weeks, kung is this really worth it, like for $499 possible. Guys, just an update. So today I applied the press-on nails from Kiss, and
ayun, may natanggal na isa. Yun sa pinky finger. Akala ko nga nawala eh. Kasi nahulog na lang siya bigla. I didn't do anything. I wasn't scratching anything. May nahulog lang na isa. Okay.
If you'd like to watch more videos like these, click on the subscribe button and the bell to stay updated with Find Fun and Fab. And please leave a comment. Can't wait to converse with you. See you guys in our next episode. Ciao!